Now, for day 10 of Advent of Tess, we have a pattern that was around long before I came on the tessellation folding scene. I call it Sawtooth. I haven't been able to find a more like designer specific name for it, but you don't have to fold it only the way that I saw on the internet before I started designing my own pieces. You can use hybrid rhombus twists to shift those positions of symmetry further apart. You can do that in multiple ways. You can repeat the fundamental chunk differently. Now this one uses an open triangle instead of closed, but you also have the option to use the closed triangle. And you can have something that looks like the same pattern on the front, but actually is using rhombus twists in that closed triangle position on the back. And there's another way of doing that as well. Check out the photos post for that option too.